Good morning, guys. What do you think is the best place to get a meal as a truck driver in Arkansas? I'll let you know today. It's a place after way stations, so after you pass the Memphis, this is the place to stop. You see, it's a small truck stop here. Usually I'm parking right here, and it'll be a little bit of a journey to get over there, but you know, it's not first time we do that, right? It's the best when you're looking. It's like, okay, it's looking like a little bit trashy, right? The place, everything, but it's Arkansas, and this is the point. Like for myself, when we're talking about the food, I'm choosing worst looking because it's better cooking. I don't know how that works, but from my experience, the trashy is the place looking is the better food because people still coming here. Imagine, people start, and even the reviews on Google, everybody's moving back and forth. Even the meal, the reviews on Google are amazing for this place. Oh, it's windy. Hopefully you don't catch all that wind. The working guys are here to get the meal of the day. Ford, Chevy. Oh, that's the smoker. Nice. Let's go inside. Arkansas fan, parking only. Nice.
I know what the kids want today, so. Alright, but I'll let you know. I'm gonna eat real quick.
What to choose? Hello, miss. You have a really good reviews on Google, you know that?
Yeah, thank you.
This is why I stopped.
Hey, talking about me, here it is. These are the sandwiches.
Uh-huh.
These are the plates that come with the two sides.
Okay. Which one is beef plate or pork plate is better?
The beef is good. The pork we sell a lot of.
Let's do pork.
Okay? With two sides.
Baked beans and coleslaw.
You want your sauce mild or hot?
Mild.
Mild. Okay. Would you like anything to drink? Cold water or hot?
I'm gonna get nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
How long you been open here? How long this place been open?
Since 2004.
Okay. Guys, I'm full, and I think I got like half of the meal. Honestly, it's enough for the day. Like I can eat this all day, and something really light in the evening time. But I like the taste. Everything is cooked perfect. Now we're going back to work, guys.
This comes,